You are a cheat.
Are you crazy?
You have put grease in the eyes of my son.
What proof do you have? Where's your proof, huh?
If I had the proof, you would have been behind the bars.
Look who's talking, huh? You calling me a cheater? You people don't even know how to lace up the glove. I'm not the cheater. You're the cheater. This man's accusing me of cheating. This guy has a 15-year ban for doping charges, and he's calling me a
You
cheater.
greedy dog! You came to fix the match with me! ओए तूने मेरे पापा को छुआ कैसे? हाँ? मेरे पापा को छुआ कैसे तूने? How dare you touch him? अरे तूने मेरे पापा को छुआ कैसे तूने? हाँ? ओए! How dare you touch him? तुझे मैं यहीं मार दूंगा साले! यहीं मैं यहीं छोड़ दूंगा!